What's up, everybody? Welcome to a taste of Cafe Nailu. I know it's been a while since you've seen my face or heard my voice. For you. Today, my niece asked me to put fried deviled eggs on my channel. So that's what I'm gonna do for her. I know it's all over TikTok, it's all over YouTube, but I'm going to do that special for her. And I would love for you all to give some feedback about it. And Tajay, if you make these, please let me know how you like them. Also, I'm going to be adding a little secret ingredient to mine. So, come on, y'all. Let's get this ball rolling. Here are all the ingredients that I'm going to use for these fried deviled eggs. All right, let's turn our eggs on and get them boiled. And the way I boil mine is once the water starts boiling, then I'll put a lid on it and then let it sit for about 10 minutes. But y'all know how to do eggs. Do your eggs where you want to, because why? It's your eggs, okay? All right, we've got a roaring boil. So we're gonna put the lid on. And I'm gonna let it, turn it off, turn the stove off, fire. And I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes are up. And we're gonna just pour all that water out as much as we can. And I have an ice bath. Okay, so now we're gonna pour the eggs in this ice water bath. And this is gonna stop the cooking process. Now you don't have to do this. This is an option that I do. But you know what? Like I said, do what you do, because what? It's your eggs, okay? This is yours. All right, let's get these yolks out of these whites. And I just pop them in there like that. Side. Then I have my trusty Duke's mayonnaise. Now I'm not much on measuring, so I'm just gonna eyeball this. I would say this is about a tablespoon. And then I'm gonna put in some French's Dijon mustard. I normally use regular mustard, and this is probably about a half a teaspoon. And a little salt. Salt to your taste and pepper to your taste. All right, I have it to the taste that I want. And I'm gonna put in, this is Pepperworks is what it's called. Candied Krisp Jalapeños. If you can't find these were at H-E-B. You may be able to find them at your local store, but if not, you can substitute with jalapeno jelly, or you can substitute with any other type of topping that you want. Since this is hot, I'm only gonna drop in a drop. That's all. That's it. You can't really even see. See that? Because I don't want it to be too spicy, because everybody may not like spice. All right, so we're gonna start assembling, guys. All right, I've cleaned up and I have these all set and ready to be fried up. All right, our grease is hot. So I've placed them in my spider, and I'm just gonna drop them in the grease. You don't wanna cook them too long, and it doesn't take long to cook them either. As you can see, I've placed the egg mixture in a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna cut it a little bit, tilt it this way, and then start spreading it out. All right, these are the candied jalapeños. Again, here's the name. And you can put as many as you, and I'll do the rest and come back. They look beautiful, don't they? All right, here we go. Baby, this is on. Go. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. God bless you with many, many blessings, love, health, and wealth.